Something strange is happening with money right now. Silver just had a huge crash. Its price fell by 30% in only one day. People call silver the devil's metal because its price moves up and down very fast. Many small investors are scared. They think the price might keep falling. Some experts say it could even drop to $50. But big banks are doing something different. They are buying gold as fast as they can. In fact, they are buying more gold now than they have since the year 1950. One country named Poland is buying 150 more tons of gold. They want to have 700 tons in total. This will make them part of an elite group. Why are they doing this? They are getting ready for a new financial order. They worry that the global money system could lose its power one day. If the power goes out, digital money records might be destroyed. But gold will still be there because it is indestructible. In this video, I will show you 3 signs that silver could fall even more. I will also tell you why big banks think gold is the only safe place left. Silver has a scary nickname. People call it the devil's metal. They use this name because silver's price changes very quickly. It is like a wild roller coaster that never stops. Just recently, silver had a very bad Friday. The price crashed by more than 30%. This happened because the US dollar became stronger. Also, people are watching the Federal Reserve and the new leaders there. Many investors got scared and started selling their silver all at once. Some people think silver is just a retail toy for now. They are buying it because they are afraid of missing out. This is called FOMO. Right now, people are trading silver even faster than big tech stocks like Nvidia. Some experts say this looks like a bubble that might pop. When a market goes up too fast, it usually comes down even faster. Many people think silver is very hard to find. They believe that everyone wants to buy it right now, but that is actually a mistake. The sources show that the demand for silver has actually fallen since the year 2022. At the same time, the amount of silver available is starting to grow. There is a big secret about silver factories called refineries. Right now, these factories are very busy. They are backed up with silver that investors have already sold back to them. This is called a backlog. When the factories finish their work, they will have a lot of silver to put back into the market. If there is too much silver and not enough people wanting to buy it, the price will drop. Some people hope that new technology like AI will keep silver prices high. But the AI business might be in a bubble that is about to pop. If that happens, we will need much less silver for computers and technology. The gap between how much silver we have and how much we actually need is getting smaller. This is a big warning sign that the price could fall even further soon. Now, we have to ask a big question. How low can the price of silver actually go? There are 3 signs we are watching very closely. Sign number 1 is about interest. If investors get bored or scared, they stop buying silver. This is just basic psychology. When the excitement goes away, the smart money and the gamblers both run away fast. This makes the price drop even more because no one is there to catch it. Sign number 2 is having too much silver. Right now, factories called refineries have a lot of silver waiting to be finished. When they finish their work, a huge amount of silver will hit the market all at once. If people do not want to buy it, the price has to go down. Sign number 3 is about big bets on the future. Many people made big bets for silver in March 2026. If they stop making these bets, the price will lose its strength. So what is the bottom? One expert thinks the price might fall to $68. I think it could go even lower and touch $50. One person from a very big bank even says a 50% drop is almost certain. Even if it hits $50, that is still a win compared to where the price was before. But it will be a very bumpy ride. You might wonder why big banks only buy gold. They almost never buy silver for their official reserves. The reason is that they want something very stable. Gold is like an anchor of trust that stays strong even when other things fail. Poland's central bank calls gold active money. Unlike some other assets, gold is not a liability, which means it is not a debt that someone else owes you. Poland wants to reach an elite status by owning 700 tons of gold. They already have more gold than the European Central Bank itself. The leaders there believe that he who holds the gold makes the rules. For these big banks, gold is a matter of national security. They think silver is too wild and moves too fast for their big vaults. They want the safety and elite feeling that only gold can give. Even if the price of silver falls to $50, it is not all bad news. Just a few months ago, silver was much cheaper than it is now. So $50 would still be a big victory compared to where we started. You should not think of silver as just a game to make quick money. Instead, think of it as a savings vehicle. It is like an insurance policy for your money. It protects you when the economy is unstable. It helps you during inflation when prices go up, and even during deflation when prices go down. Silver is meant to preserve your wealth over a very long time. Even when the price moves up and down like a wild ride, the metal is still real. It is a way to stay safe even if the world around us changes. So what should you do with all this information? Remember that silver is like a wild roller coaster, but gold is like a heavy anchor. Silver can crash by 30% in one day, which makes it very risky. But gold is a symbol of stability that big banks trust. They are choosing gold because it is a safe way to store wealth and prepares them for a new financial order. You can decide to be like your own central bank. When you hold your own gold or silver, you have the power in your hands. You do not have to worry about a country's bad economic choices or credit risks. Even if someone cuts off the power to the global money system, your physical metal will still be real and valuable. It is the best insurance policy you can have against a world that is full of surprises. What do you think will happen to the price of silver? Do you think it will drop to $50 or will it stay high? Please leave a comment and tell me your price prediction for 2026. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a big update about your wealth. Thank you so much for watching.